Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Aviva UK. Review my usage experience. Aviva UK is a large insurance provider in the UK offering various products like car, home, life, and health insurance, as well as savings and investment options. This review focuses on my experience as an existing customer managing my policies and interacting with their online services. Their target audience is individuals and families seeking financial protection and planning. Key features seem to include online policy management, claims filing, and access to financial advisors. Their website provides details on all their offerings. Aviva emphasizes ease of use and aims to provide clear pricing information. They highlight the convenience of managing everything online and accessing support when needed. They compare themselves to competitors by often focusing on their long-standing history and reputation within the UK. Their availability spans across the UK, and you can easily check for specific services in your area on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Aviva UK. Getting started was fairly straightforward. I already had an account from a previous car insurance policy, so logging in and adding my new home insurance was easy. Navigating the website is generally intuitive. The dashboard provides a clear overview of my policies, allowing me to easily access policy documents, make payments, and update my details. I recently needed to change the address on my car insurance, and the process was surprisingly smooth. I just filled out a short form online, and the change was reflected within 24 hours. The website performed reliably, with no noticeable slowdowns or glitches. I was really impressed by how easily I could access my policy documents anytime, anywhere. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app for policy management, although they do have a general Aviva app with limited functionality. I did have a quick question regarding my home insurance excess, and their support responded within a day via email with a clear and helpful answer. The standout feature for me was definitely the online claims process. While thankfully I haven't had to make a claim yet, the online guides and resources seem very comprehensive and user-friendly. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience using Aviva UK's online services. While the lack of a full-featured mobile app is a slight inconvenience, the ease of use and readily available information makes managing my policies a breeze. That's my overview of Aviva UK. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.